Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video on Quick Guides. In today's video, I will teach you how you can delete your Evernote account. Now, if this is something that you want to learn, then follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now let's get into the video. Now firstly open any web browser of your choice and there on the URL search for evernote.com and press enter on your keyboard. And to delete your Evernote account, firstly you need to get logged into your Evernote account. So tap on login button and get logged into your Evernote account. Now once you reach to the dashboard of the Evernote account, you have to tap on gear icon at the left side of your screen and next to your email address. And there a pop-up box will appear on your screen. Now from the settings you have to tap on login and security option. And there on the login and security option you have to tap on close your account link. Once you tap on it, new tab will be open up on your screen. Now here you will be given two options, either to deactivate your Evernote account or to close your Evernote account. Now in order to delete your Evernote account, you have to tap on the second option, close your Evernote account. And there a pop-up box will appear on your screen. Now tick this first circle, yes, close my account, and there tap on continue button. And here it says that before you close the account associated with this email, Evernote will recommend you to export your notes in HTML or XML format by following the steps here. Now if you have reviewed the information above and if you're ready to close your account, then tick the square box and there tap on continue button. Now you have to choose the reason for your account deletion. Now once you choose one of these reasons, scroll this pop-up box a bit down and there you have to verify your password by entering your account password. And once you're done with typing in your password correctly, you have to tick this square box which says I am not a robot. And once you get this tick mark, you can tap on next button. But if you want to keep your account, you can tap on keep my account button. And once you tap on next button, Evernote will send you an email to the email address that is associated with the Evernote account. And there you will find this type of code in your email. Now copy this code. Now here paste that code. And there tap on close account button. And there you go, you have successfully deleted your Evernote account. So that was the step-by-step process on how you can delete your Evernote account. Hope you understand and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now that's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.